I noticed that you were part of OBF, which is the Black Fiddlers Association.
Yeah,
Can you tell us
yeah.
the difference between the violinist and a fiddler?
Actually, next week on Saturday, I'm going to be performing with my band at the Ode to the Black Fiddler Festival. A fiddle, there is no difference between a fiddle and a violin. It's just kind of a nickname that over the years has stuck. And usually, when you say fiddle, that means, from a cultural standpoint, alternate styles of violin playing that isn't classical. So, so they say, "Oh, you play the fiddle?" Usually you wouldn't say, "Yes, I play, Mendelssohn Violin Concerto often. I play Bach partitas. Those are wonderful fiddle pieces." They'll go, "Oh, but that's the violin." It's almost a kind of a backhanded way of saying violin, but it's all in fun. It's not really, so that's where Ode to the Black Fiddler comes in because the people who are presenting at uh this fiddle conference or festival rather, they're playing alternate styles of violin music by and large. Some of them are also still playing classical music, but most of them are playing alternative styles of violin music.